in Monaghan. Ashley asked me to guest direct this show. So on Thursday we had a workshop where we worked with all the performers and worked on their gorgeous work that you saw tonight. And yeah, so I'm an Irish-American actor and singer, which is why I think Ashley asked me. I teach Irish traditional singing, which is called sean-nós, which means old style. And the style dates back to it's 800 years old. And interestingly, the Celtic people came from the Middle East originally, years and years ago. So you'll hear in the song I'm about to sing some notes of Middle Eastern music, Indian music, Egyptian music. So it's kind of cool to see just how connected we all really are. So this song is called Don Oíche Úd mBeithil. It means of a night in Bethlehem. And it tells the story that most of you know, probably, of Jesus' birth in the stable. And the narrator is kind of elusive. It's kind of, you don't really know who's speaking, but it's someone observing the night, the way the sky opens up and the heavens have this eerie bright light, and mentions shepherds being scared of that light. And it says, see Jesus in his cradle, nursing at his mother's breast, and it points to all these images. And it ends with a beautiful word, maybe my favorite word in Irish, síocháin, which means peace. And I like English because I like the English word for peace because it feels like what peace is, pure peace, one syllable. But in Irish, síocháin feels hard-earned. You know, it's peace that is a little hard to get. And it takes that ch before you get to the on, síocháin. Just having a nerdy Irish moment here. So the song ends with the word peace and with a message of peace and goodwill to all. So here it is, Don Oíche Úd mBeithil. Don Oíche Úd mBeithil, beg taggart gran go brach. Don Oíche Úd mBeithil, gur tháinig an bhréithir slán. Síocháin. Gur míle maith agaibh. Thank you very much.